Good morning and welcome back to another one of my videos. I am Adriana if you are new here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my weekly reset routine. It is Sunday, it's about 11 a.m. I slept in because I have been so exhausted from this week between school and work and homework and living my life. I'm just tired. So I decided to let myself sleep in today. It's like 11, but we have a lot to do today to just prep for the week. And yeah, so I figured I would show y'all just kind of what I do to reset my life, but let's get started by making my bed. Making for the picture, parents waiting in the driveway. Oh my darling, Arizona. I have just finished making my bed, but there are many piles just around my room that somehow accumulate in places that they shouldn't be. So now I'm going to go ahead and just kind of clean any laundry that is dirty or clean and sort it and put it in the right place. And then I'm going to get dressed because I don't really like to work and start my day in a dirty room, hence why I make my bed first. I have done my skincare for the day, just finished doing that, and I made myself a cup of tea and a bagel for breakfast. But I wanted to quickly mention the thing that I find myself using the most to kind of schedule my days and my weeks and just keep myself accountable. This is my bullet journal. I got this, I think, at Michael's. There are way more expensive notebooks that you can buy, but I found myself doing it pretty actively throughout September. I did it every day, which I was really proud of, and now I am doing it every day in October. So basically what I do is create like a little monthly spread. These are just things that I have found in magazines. I kind of wanted like a spooky vibe, so I went for that. And then it's pretty customizable, honestly. So I just did it in the way that I found most helpful and I guess the best for me and my like lifestyle. So I have a YouTube schedule here just of things I want to upload, how my channel is doing and growing and kind of the response to every video I post. On this side, I do one memory every single day. So at the end of the day, I will just write like my favorite memory from that day or just kind of something that happened that was important to me. So it doesn't have to be like a good memory. And then I have a little bit of like a habit tracker. It's a little more organized than my previous habit trackers. And then on this page, I have some monthly goals and a monthly overview just of like due dates, reminders, things I have to get done. I did not get a chance to write in my bullet journal on Friday and Saturday, so I'm going to write today, Sunday, and then I just leave this sheet blank for like a weekly reflection. So I just kind of free journal. So I'm going to do the free journaling now just because the week is over. Hasn't anybody told you? I have been doing work for probably the past like 2 hours. I had some readings for a deal making class that I'm taking, and then I had to do a case study. And honestly, my professor is like the nicest person in the world, but it's not super clear like how this assignment is supposed to be done. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it. And then I just texted my friend Sydney because we are going to talk about it because I'm not sure if we have to like cite and I don't want to get plagiarized. But yeah, it is currently 2 p.m. I'm feeling a little bit of like a crash in my mood. I don't know, it's really weird. But yeah, I think I was like really sure that I knew how to do this like case study, and then as soon as I realized I didn't, I kind of got like demotivated. But that's okay, we're gonna persevere and continue. Yeah, so I'm doing that right now, and I am probably going to paint my nails at some point today, and then also I need to wash my hair. Might not look like it, but it's just like really dirty, and I don't know, I feel like that'll make me feel better if I just like take a nice hot long shower. But yeah, that's all that's going on here. I finished my chai tea. I'm not drinking enough water, so I definitely need to do that. But yeah, I feel like being productive is like you see people just like power through a lot of stuff, like things at once, but in reality being productive can kind of be like an all day thing. So I feel like I kind of just got a little burnt out because I was like, I'm gonna journal and do this and do this and do this, and then I kind of got demotivated. But yeah, being productive takes many forms, and honestly doing little tasks and big tasks are still productive. So yeah, I just wanted to pop in and say that. but I'm going to go back to this and try and just knock this out. I have just sliced up a Honeycrisp apple. I completely forgot. And now just saw that Desi Perkins posted a new video, so I am going to watch it. And look at that, it's right there. So I'm going to watch this and eat my apple.
What's up? Ben, is this why you've loved army print your whole life?
Oh, all right, so I just wrapped up doing that assignment for deal making. I had an apple, I watched a YouTube video, and now I'm actually going to try to get ahead, which is really not like me, but I figured this is a productivity video, so let's try and do as much as I can to avoid stress later on. I am actually going to Palm Springs this week for my friend Josephine's birthday, so we're having a little girls trip. We're going from Thursday to Friday, so it's really short, but I don't want to have to worry about like school and work and things like that when I'm there. So I'm trying to get as much work done for Tuesday and Wednesday as I can. I do have a very long class on Tuesday, so I'm going to try and knock out some readings and like things like that and prep for discussion. So that is what I'm going to be doing now. And then after I do a couple of those, I am going to shower because I am feeling a little midday slumpy. But that apple was really delicious, so yeah. So I just got out of the shower, I washed my hair, and today I styled it with kinky curly, oh my god, my necklaces are all crazy. I styled it with kinky curly Not Today and the Verb curl cream. I tried towel drying my hair and it just like doesn't work out for me and my texture. I feel like it can make my hair super dry super fast. I am probably going to still paint my nails just after dinner, and then I am going to jump onto editing this video for tomorrow.